Hey everyone, welcome back. Clearing cache on Android is easy, but I'm going to show you how to do it properly, so you're clearing the apps that are actually worth clearing instead of guessing. Open your settings and scroll down to Apps. Tap that, and you get every app on the phone. Now, the bit most people skip. Tap Sort by up in the corner, choose Size, and tap OK. Now the list is in order, biggest first, so you can see exactly where your storage has gone. Straight away, that tells you something. The biggest thing on this phone is TikTok at 1.73 gigabytes. Tap it, and then tap Storage, and this is the screen that matters. It splits that total into 3 numbers. App is the app itself, the part you downloaded. Data is everything it has saved since, your logins, your settings, downloads, all of that. And cache is temporary files, thumbnails, bits of video it kept, so it doesn't have to fetch them again. And here's the honest bit that most videos don't tell you. Look at the actual numbers. That app is 1.76 gigabytes in total, but the cache is only 26 megabytes of it. So clearing the cache on this one is going to free up almost nothing. Tap Clear Cache anyway, and watch, it drops straight to 0. It's completely safe, it doesn't log you out, and it doesn't delete anything you care about, and the app just rebuilds it as you use it. Now the button right next to it, and this is the one to be careful with. Clear Data. Tap it and read what it says. All of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases. That means you will be logged out, and the app goes back to how it was the day you installed it. Sometimes that's exactly what you want if an app is broken, but it is not the same as clearing cache, so I'm tapping Cancel. So if cache isn't where your space went, where is it? Go back to Settings and open Device Care, then tap Storage. This is the whole phone in one picture. 47 gigabytes used out of 128, and underneath it breaks it down into videos, images, audio, documents. Tap Show More for the full list. It also finds things for you, old files, a trash folder that still holds deleted stuff, and apps you haven't opened in ages. So that's the whole thing. Settings, apps, sort by, size. So you're working on the biggest ones first. Tap the app, tap Storage, and Clear Cache is the safe one you can press anytime. Clear Data is the one that logs you out, so only use it when an app is misbehaving. And Device Care, Storage, is where you find out what's really eating your space, which is usually videos and app data, not cache. One last thing worth knowing, there is no single button anywhere in Settings that clears every app's cache at once. You do it app by app, and now you know which ones are worth doing. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Android tips. Thanks for watching.